Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and we are here to discuss the another selection series on the principles and practices of banking. So, first of all, good morning to all of you. How are you all? Let me know. All okay? Are we good to go? Good morning, Nishan. Good morning, Anantha. So first, let me know, is everything okay? Are we good to go? Before starting the series, certain important thing, if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application. And also, if you have not subscribed the channel, Officers at 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Apart from that, you will find here the multiple sessions regarding the strategy, regarding the syllabus discussion, updates regarding your JAIIB and CAIIB exam, and all the study material will be available here. So before going to the today's topic, okay, so these are the batches which are available on a 24/7 application for your preparation for the JAIIB. The English medium batch which started last was the 12th of September. So there are 12th of September batch going on, and all the classes which you have missed, you will get the recorded class of that. New bilingual batch is going to start from 3rd of October, in which practice will be there, 3000 plus MCQs will be there. Apart from that, 600 plus case study will be there for all the 3 subjects, and previous year questions will be also discussed. But the batch is bilingual. The content will be in English, but the explanation will be in bilingual. So do make sure you are understanding that so that you can enroll in this particular batch. Apart from that, if you know someone who is preparing for the CAIIB exam, do let them know that the new batches for the CAIIB is going to start from 3rd of October. First of all, English medium and bilingual batch both are starting from 3rd of October. Next is all the test series are available here. You can go with the test series. This is the test series by which you can practice multiple number of questions in a certain period of time, because we know time management is also important in the exam. There are a lot of questions and we have a limited time. So you can practice your questions from here. So to enroll in any of the product, any of the live batch, you can use the code Y496. And to enroll in the test series, you can use the code Y496S. Also, there is offer going on all the books which are regarding the JAIIB preparation, in which you will find the 18% discount which you used today. The code that is Y496S, and this is the lowest price for all the books which is running right now. Okay, so let's start. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Let's start the session. So today's class is about the monetary policy. So today we are going to practice the questions regarding the monetary policy. So first let's understand what is monetary policy, then we will go with the topic. Okay, so if I talk about the monetary policy, first of all, it is formulated by Reserve Bank of India. Bi-monthly review has been given by RBI for the monetary policy. Apart from bi-monthly review, the monetary policy was made initially used to give the quarterly review, but on the recommendation of Mr. Raghuram Rajan, he was the 23rd governor of RBI, we have introduced the bi-monthly review of monetary policy. It means every 2 months we are presenting the monetary policies review. Apart from that, the target or objective behind making the monetary policy is to first of all to control, to ensure the price stability, to ensure the economic stability, and to make sure that the sustainable growth is happening in the country. So these are the 3 main objectives of having a monetary policy. Now, monetary policy is a macroeconomic policy tool which influence the interest rate, the inflation rate, and the money supply which is available in the market. Or we can say monetary policy is a macroeconomic tool which influence the interest rate, the inflation rate, and the credit supply available in the market with the help of changes in the money supply. And RBI changes the money supply by increasing or decreasing the policy rates of the monetary policy. Okay, now let's start with the first question. The question is asking that if RBI wants to reduce the liquidity from the system, it should. If RBI want to reduce the liquidity from the system, what should RBI do? First is decrease the reverse repo rate, second decrease the repo rate, third increase the CRR, and fourth purchase the government securities from public. So which of the following should RBI do if RBI wants to reduce the liquidity from the market? What should RBI do? A, B, C or D? Increase CRR, okay. Kumar is saying C, Anand is saying C, Mita is saying C, Gopal is saying D, and rest are saying C, okay. So we want to reduce the liquidity from the market, do make sure. Okay, reduce. We are trying to reduce the liquidity from the market. What should we do? Okay, maximum are going with the C option, that is increase CRR, and that's a correct answer. Right answer will CRR increase. So when we want to reduce the liquidity, what this means? It means RBI wants to reduce the money supply from the market. And when the money supply will be reduced, when RBI increases the policy rate. So by increasing the policy rate, money supply will be reduced in the economy. And only the third option is saying that we are increasing the policy rate. So right answer will be C. Next. Which of the following statement is not true about monetary policy? Not true about monetary policy committee. So which of the following statement is not correct, not true about the monetary policy committee? You have to answer that. First is saying that it comprises of 6 members where the governor of RBI acts as an ex officio chairman of the committee. Second, it was created to bring the transparency and accountability in deciding the monetary policy rates. And next is inflation target is set by Government of India in consultation with RBI. So which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? And the D option, last option, is all of the above, or all are true. If the last option is not visible to you, then the option is all are true. So which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Acha, always mention the question number when you are answering. Okay, do not forget to mention the question number. Okay, second is D, maximum are going with the D option. Okay, so right answer is D, that all are correct. All the statements are correct. First statement is correct. There will be 6 members. Out of 6, 3 members will be appointed by RBI and 3 members will be appointed by Government of India. And RBI governor will act as the ex officio chairman. So first statement is correct. Second is saying it was created to bring transparency, accountability. That is also true. Third is also true, that inflation target is set by the Government of India but in consultation with RBI. This is said under the RBI Act 1934 section 45ZB. So all the statements are correct. That's why right answer will be D. That is all are true. Next. Third. Which of the following statement is true of SLR? So which of the following statement is true about the SLR? SLR stands for statutory liquidity ratio. First is saying it is to be maintained by all financial institutions. Second thing, it is to be maintained as liquid asset. Third is saying these needs to be kept in non-cash form. And fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following you think is correct about the SLR? Always make sure when you are reading question, do check it is asking for true or false, it is asking for correct or incorrect. These are the things, these are the keywords in which we do a certain silly mistakes. So do make sure you are giving attention to these words, like what the actually question is asking. So what do you think which of the following is correct for the third question? Okay, third is D and A. 2 options are coming, D and A. Okay. So first, if I see about the first statement, it is saying it is to be maintained by all financial institutions. That is correct. It is to be maintained as liquid asset. That is also correct. These need to be kept in non-cash form. That is also correct. So right answer will be all of the above. Okay, that is correct. So right answer is your all of the above. Next. What will be the impact on economy if RBI decreases SLR? If RBI decreases the SLR, what will be the impact of economy? Good morning, Ravi. In which batch you are enrolled? Do tell me the dates in which batch you have enrolled. Next. What will be the impact on economy if RBI decreases the SLR? SLR is a statutory liquidity ratio in which all the scheduled commercial banks have to maintain the cash, have to maintain a certain reserves with themselves only in form of cash, gold and securities. That is known as a liquid asset. And why we are calling them liquid asset? Because we can easily convert these assets into cash. So what is the answer for the fourth question? Okay. Fourth is A. Everyone is going with the A option. No, some Ananta is saying C. Ananta, do read again. Irshad is saying D. Again, Irshad, do read the options again. Okay. So if we talk about the what will be the impact on economy if RBI decreases SLR, first of all, RBI decreased the SLR. RBI has decreased the SLR. Now what happened when RBI decreases the SLR? It is obvious that the banks have more liquidity. Banks will have more liquidity. So when the bank have more liquidity, bank will provide more loans. And when the loans, banks are providing more loans, it means the credit creation will increase. And the credit creation is increasing in the A option and in the C option. It can't be B or D. B or D can't be the right answer. Because if the liquidity is more, then bank will provide more loan, and when bank is providing more loan, the credit creation will increase. And when banks are providing more and more loan and RBI has reduced the policy rates, it means easy monetary policy has been created by RBI. It means loans will become cheaper. Loans will be cheaper, so the right answer will be your A option. Very good. All those who have given the A option, that is correct. Right answer will be A option. Yes, you can enroll in individual batch also, Ravi. You will find in the application, you will see the batch has started from the date, and you can enroll in the individual batch also. Okay, I will let you know in the end of the session how you can enroll. Okay, so right answer is A. Next question is, consider the following statement and you have to tell which of the following is or are true. Right? So first option is saying monetary policy announced per year. Second is saying price stability and exchange rate stabilization are the objective of monetary policy. And third is saying credit policy is a part of the monetary policy. So what do you think which of the following statement is correct about the monetary policy? A, B, C or D? So first is saying monetary policy announced per year. Second is saying price stability and exchange rate stabilization are the objective of monetary policy. Third is saying credit policy is a part of monetary policy. So which of the following you think is correct? Do mention the question number. Fifth is C. Everyone is going with the C. Second and third is correct. Achha, do read very carefully. We are talking about monetary policy, and exchange rate stabilization can be done with the RBI's monetary policy. Okay, first of all, if we talk about the monetary policy will be announced bi-monthly. The review will come bi-monthly. In a financial year, there will be 6 reviews. Second, monetary policy helps us to maintain the price stability as well as the economic growth and the sustainable growth that helps us to the exchange rate stabilization. And the last one is, if we are talking about credit policy, is a part of monetary policy. So yes, credit policy is a part of monetary policy. It is a part of monetary policy. Okay, so there is certain mistake I have done in the options. So let me do the correct, that D option is only 3. Let's have a D option only 3, and the right answer will be D only. Right answer will be D only, but only 3 statement. Third statement is correct, not the 1 and 2. Okay, I had done mistake on in the options. So the right answer will be only third, that RBI's monetary policies also cover the credit policy. Okay, but it is announced per year, not per year. So we announce the fiscal policy. Now, monetary policy will be announced every 2 months. Exchange rate will not be controlled with the help of monetary policy. So the right answer will be only 3. Okay, next. Consider the following statement. Funds under LAF liquidity adjustment facility are used by banks for their day-to-day mismatch in liquidity. First, Second is saying all commercial banks having current account and SGL account with Reserve Bank are eligible to participate in the marginal standing facility. So you have to tell that which of the following statement are true about LA and MSF. LAF is liquidity adjustment facility. MSF is marginal standing facility. So you have to tell which of the following is correct. The last option, D option, is saying neither one nor two. D option is neither neither one nor two. So which of the following you think is correct? So it is saying that liquidity adjustment facility used by RBI to maintain the day-to-day liquidity, and the next thing is MSF is the facility by which all the banks can take loan from RBI if they have a current account and SGL account with the RBI. SGL is subsidiary general ledger account. SGL is subsidiary general ledger account that banks maintain with Reserve Bank of India for the transactions of government securities and all. Okay, so the right answer will be C. Very good. Both 1 and 2 are correct about LAF and MSF. Both are correct statement. That is right answer will be C. Very good. Now next is, consider the following statement and you have to tell which of the following are true. So first is saying SLR and CRR are not part of monetary policy. Second is saying CRR is exercised to manage liquidity and inflation. Third is saying a purchase of government securities inject money in the market. So which of the following statement is correct? You have to answer. And be a little quick because I have class from 7, so I have to wind up early. So let me know which of the following is correct about the CRR, SLR and the government securities. Seventh is, okay, B and A, two options are coming. B and A. First of all, CRR, SLR are not part of monetary policy. This is totally wrong. Now, how you can say ki all are correct? CRR is just to maintain liquidity and inflation, correct. A purchase of government securities. When RBI purchasing government securities from the public, RBI is giving cash to the public. It means it is also correct. So, second and third is correct. Right answer will be A. Right answer will be A. Very good. Next. What is meant by monetary policy? What do you mean by the monetary policy in following options? First is saying the process by which the parliament controls the money supply, the process by which the central bank or monetary authority of a country controls the supply of money. Third is saying the process by which international market controls the money supply, and fourth is saying none of the above. So which of the following you think is correct about the monetary policy? A, B, C, D. Let me know. What will be the right answer for the 8th question? 8th is B and B, B, B. Everyone is going with B. Correct, that is correct. When the central monetary authority or the central bank of the country controls the money supply, that is monetary policy. So right answer will be B. Next. Who is the central monetary policy authority in India? The simplest question of today's session. The simplest question of today's session. Who is the central monetary policy authority in India? And all the candidates who are live in the session, before winding up the session, do make sure you like the session. Okay? Because the gap is very much among the persons who are concurrent viewers and the likes. So do make sure before going you like the session. So what is the answer of the 9th question? That's the simplest question of today's session. Very good. Right is RBI. RBI is the Central Monetary Policy Authority in India. Next question, that is the last question of this session. That is which of the following are correct regarding SLR? So first is saying section 41(2) of RBI 1934 lays foundation of maintain the CRR by Scheduled Commercial Bank with RBI. Then second is section 24 of Banking Regulation Act provide powers to RBI to levy CRR on banks. And the next one is there is no minimum floor in SLR, but the maximum ceiling is 40%. And the D1 is saying banks cannot earn profit on SLR. So which of the following you think is correct? And I think D option is not visible to all of you. So the D option is here. I am writing here. So which of the following is correct according to you? And the D option is only C. D option is only C. Which is correct? No, how you can it is B or C? How you can say it is A? In section 42(1), CRR is defined. In section 42(1), CRR is defined. In section 24, SLR is defined, but the option is talking about CRR. So second is wrong, first is wrong. Okay. Third is saying there is no minimum floor in SLR, but the maximum ceiling is 40%. That is correct. Bank cannot earn profit. Non-correct. Banks can earn profit on SLR on the government security by earning interest or by the government of India. So the right answer will be your D, that only C is correct. The statement was asking correct statement. So only C is correct. All the rest options are wrong about the SLR. Okay, so right answer will be D, not the C. Why you are saying C? How you can say C and D are correct? C is correct, but D is not correct. D is correct about the CRR. Now, on CRR, banks are not able to earn profit, but on SLR, banks can earn profit. Okay, so right answer will be your D. Now, let me know out of 10 how many answers you have given correct. Out of 10, how many answers you have given correct? A option is CRR. Yes, A is talking about CRR, but we have to tell the answer about the SLR. Now, that's why first one is incorrect. So let me know out of 10 how many answers you have given correct, and till then I will tell you how to enroll in the batch. So you have to go to the Adda 24 website or application and just click on the batch. If you want English medium batch, click on the English medium batch. You will find all the running batches on the website. So if you want all the 3 subjects, you can go with this particular batch, and if you want individual PPB subject, that is here. Okay, someone was asking, this is the right option from where you can enroll only in the PPB subject, and what you have to do, just click on the particular batch which you want to enroll. Let's say you want to enroll in a JAIIB all the 3 subjects batches. Do read the all details about the particular batch, and after reading all the details, you have to go to the buy now. Click on buy now and you will find this page. You have to enter the code, that is Y496, and click enter. You will find the 77% discount here, and if you purchase the same from Adda 24/7 application, you will get 1% additional discount. That will be a 78. Okay, so this is the how you can enroll in the particular batch. If you want individual PPB batch, that is also available. I have showed you from where you can enroll in that. Okay, so this is the individual PPB batch. You can enroll from here. Right? Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. That's a very good score you all got. So let's end the session before going. मैम ए तो करेक्ट है सेक्शन 42. ए तो करेक्ट है. नो, ए इज टॉकिंग अबाउट सीआरआर ना. देखो सी, the question is asking about SLR. The question is talking about which of the following is correct about the SLR, and the first statement is talking about the CRR. So this statement is correct, but according to the question, is it incorrect? Okay, Meeta. Now let's wind up the session before going. Those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session. And if you still have any query, you can ask in the comment section. I will check your query and answer there. So thank you all for joining the session, and stay safe.